I think Yolo County is really special. It's a breath of fresh air. It's one thing that you won't see a lot of here is cars, and I find that to be a breath of fresh air.
Yolo County is one of my favorite counties in the state. I think what I love about it so much is, it's got this incredible soil. So we have this opportunity to grow so many different types of crops. We have these farmers that have been committed to their land for generations. We have this really great mix of people who are, real farmers, people who are conservationists, city people. We all live together here in Yolo County, and it makes farming so interesting here.
Downtown Wineries, we have a number of restaurants and tasting rooms here. It's got a really kind of heavy-hitting restaurant scene.
We had so much farming around, and it's so easy for them to get all that farm to fork.
Cape Valley is one of the most beautiful spots for any tourist to go. We have olive oil mill, Baker Hills is great. We have Tabor Ranch that also does olive oil and a beautiful pizza. We have 2 or 3 lavender farms in the valley. And so there's just so many places to visit that really encourage people to learn and get involved with agriculture. It makes up such an important part of the fabric of our country.
Yolo County is, in my opinion, one of the most beautiful places I've ever been. People can truly have an actual vacation in Yolo County. There is so much to do, so much outdoor activity from hiking, boating. There's a beautiful Lake Berryessa, and it just continues to get even better.